Welcome back, everybody. Another week here. We got a 2015 Range Rover. This is going matte Siberian Pearl by KPMF. I think KPMF has one of the nicest finishes across the different brands we use, so very excited to get to use it. I got Drew from Revolution Restyling coming today. He's gonna help me knock out the front and back bumper. With other brands like Avery or 3M, it's not hard to do one by yourself, but something like KPMF, I like having an extra hand to do these. As you can see, we got the grill off. Didn't have to take the mirrors off of this one. Got the handles removed, got the taillights removed, and we're leaving the whole two-tone here. We're gonna leave this. I might end up wrapping this pillar. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. Smooth to the touch, so I don't know if it's like moisture under the clear coat or if they had like a double-sided rain guard here thing. That's something we'll figure out as we go, but for now, let's get a time lapse set up and get it rolling. All right, guys, so the range is all done. I had some phone issues in the middle of filming, so I got what I got. But here is the finished product. Again, this is KPMF Matte Siberian Pearl. I really, really love this color. I'm trying to convince him to leave the emblems off, but he wants them back on. He ordered new black ones, but I did the trim all gloss black. He had some issues on the pillar, so we wrapped that gloss black to match. This was a little faded, so I wrapped that for him just because, but this thing turned out really, really cool. And then got the Can-Am I have to do, so I'm gonna get cracking on that. But I'd like to try to make some more videos, maybe some how-tos or like wrapping a fender or something like that. So if there's anything someone wants to see, let me know and we'll make that happen. But for now, that's a wrap on this, and we'll see you next time.